When a wildfire hit their neighborhood, most homes on the block were reduced to ashes. But one house stood its ground, and one reason was the fence that surrounded it. Most homeowners don't think of their fence as a fire hazard, but untreated wood fences can act like a wick, carrying flames straight to your house. In fact, during many wildfires, flames spread fence to fence before ever touching the homes. The scary truth? Your fence could be the reason a wildfire jumps from the wildlands into your backyard. So what kind of fences can withstand fire? Let's talk materials. Metal fencing, like steel or aluminum, doesn't ignite, doesn't warp, and can block embers. Masonry fences, concrete, brick, or stone, virtually fireproof, ideal for maximum protection. Vinyl or composite. Some types are treated to be fire-resistant. Always check the fire rating. Pressure-treated or fire-retardant wood. Better than standard wood, but still not the safest option. The key is knowing your environment and choosing a fence that suits your risk level. Material isn't the only factor. Where your fence sits matters too. Experts recommend keeping at least 5 to 10 feet of defensible space between the fence and your home, especially if your fence is combustible. This zone acts like a fire break. You can fill it with gravel, concrete, or fire-resistant plants to slow or stop the spread. Even the best fence can become a hazard if you don't maintain it. Dry leaves, overgrown shrubs, and climbing vines turn your fence into kindling. Want extra protection? Pair your fire-safe fence with smart landscaping and ember-resistant upgrades. Simple changes like choosing gravel instead of mulch or installing an exterior sprinkler system can make a big impact. Here's what to remember. Avoid untreated wood fences. Choose metal, masonry, or fire-rated materials. Maintain a buffer zone between your fence and home. Keep it clean, trimmed, and clear. A little planning today could save your home tomorrow. Need help building a fire-safe fence? Kahn Fence Inc. has you covered from design to installation. Visit kahnfenceinc.com or call us today at 781-767-3596 to get started.